Want better photos without expensive software? These are the top 5 must have photo editing apps in 2026 that every creator, influencer, and smartphone photographer should have right now. Coming in at number 5 spot is Snapseed. Backed by a 4.2 star rating, 1 million plus reviews, and over 100 million installs, it's packed with professional editing tools that don't cost a penny. Developed by Google, Snapseed gives you 30 plus professional editing tools without subscriptions, ads, or annoying watermarks. Whether you're editing selfies, travel photos, food shots, or social media content, it has everything you need. Want your photos to look cinematic? Try the realistic film filters, bloom effects, and vintage styles. Need precise control? Use smart masking to edit only the subject or background with a single tap. You can even remove unwanted objects, fix lighting, adjust colors, and edit raw photos like a pro. One of the best features is non-destructive editing, so you can always go back and change your edits without ruining the original image. And if you're editing multiple photos, batch editing saves you a ton of time. If you want professional quality edits without spending a dime, Snapseed is an app you shouldn't miss. The number 4, we have Photoshop Express, and it's making pro-level editing way easier than most people expect. With a 4.3 star rating, over 2 million reviews, and more than 100 million downloads, it's trusted by creators all over the world. You can remove unwanted objects, swap backgrounds with AI, smooth selfies, add stylish filters, create collages, and even generate creative edits with simple text prompts. But wait, there's more. Most people only use the basic filters, but this app also lets you add custom stickers, text effects, and social media ready templates in just a few taps. And this is where it gets crazy. The real reason people love it is that you don't need any editing experience. Whether you're posting on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or just saving memories, everything feels fast, simple, and surprisingly powerful. Instead of spending hours learning complicated tools, Photoshop Express helps you create polished, eye-catching photos in minutes. If you want professional looking edits without the professional learning curve, this app is definitely worth checking out. Number 3, we've got an app that's changing the way people edit photos without spending hours learning design. Meet PhotoRoom AI Photo Editor. If you've ever struggled to remove a messy background or make a product photo look professional, this app does the heavy lifting with AI. It has a 4.3 star rating, over 3 million reviews, and more than 100 million downloads, so it's already trusted by millions. But wait, there's more. You can generate brand new backgrounds, erase unwanted objects, improve lighting, and even create eye-catching product images in just a few taps. No editing experience needed. And this is where it gets crazy. If you're selling online or creating content, you can edit multiple photos at once, build a consistent brand style, and even turn images into short product videos. That can save you hours every single week. The real reason people love it is that it delivers clean, professional looking results without complicated software or expensive equipment. At number 2, we've got a photo editor that's trusted by millions, and there's a good chance your favorite creators are already using it. Meet Lightroom Photo and Video Editor. With a 4.4 star rating, over 3 million reviews, and 100 million plus downloads, it's one of the most popular editing apps out there. What makes it stand out? AI-powered editing. In just a few taps, it can improve lighting, enhance colors, blur backgrounds, and even remove unwanted objects from your photos. But wait, there's more. If you've got dozens of pictures from a trip or event, Lightroom can apply the same edits across your entire batch, saving you a ton of time. Most people miss this part. It doesn't just edit photos. You can also enhance videos using the same professional color tools and presets, keeping your content looking consistent everywhere. Whether you're posting on social media or just preserving memories, Lightroom makes advanced editing feel simple, even if you're a complete beginner. No wonder it's one of the top-rated photo editing apps available today. Would you use this daily? Think the best AI editing app costs a fortune? Number 1 on this list might change your mind. Meet PicsArt AI photo editor and video, one of the biggest creative apps out there. With an impressive 4.2 star rating, 11 million reviews, and over 1 billion downloads worldwide. That's a level of popularity you don't see every day. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a basic photo editor. You can erase backgrounds in seconds, remove unwanted objects with a tap, create AI generated images from text, design custom stickers, and even generate unique AI avatars. It packs powerful editing tools into an interface that's surprisingly easy to use. And this is where it gets crazy. PicsArt doesn't stop at photos. You can edit videos, add music, build eye catching collages, apply trending filters, and even recreate viral editing styles using its replay feature, saving you a ton of time while keeping your content looking fresh. The real reason people love it is that you don't need professional editing skills to create professional looking results. Whether you're posting on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or just editing personal photos, PicsArt makes creativity fast and accessible. If you're looking for one app that handles almost everything from AI art to video editing, this one definitely earns the #1 spot. Ready to upgrade your editing game? Hit the subscribe button for more tech pics and comment with your favorite photo editing app.